Hey everyone, welcome back to IMH Studio. It has almost been a year that my client's been wearing these tape-in hair extensions provided by our sister company, Azul Hair Collection. This hair is 100% virgin human hair, therefore it lasts very, very long. Now, the trick is to keep it nice and silky like this is to make sure you're using really good products. I love the Olaplex line. This is nourishing serum and also the bonding oil. It works really, really well on our hair extensions and makes them last for quite some time. Now, her hair actually has grown out quite a bit. She has been using some hair masks and things like that, taking care of her hair. If you look back in our older videos, you'll see when I did her initial install the first time with these hair extensions. And this is, like I said, I think our fourth time installing these tape-ins. We did a nice maintenance, reinstalled the tape-ins. She likes that little pop of color. And as you can see, the hair is still nice, silky, and soft. It's amazing how much time has gone by, but yet these hair extensions look absolutely flawless. So if you're interested in purchasing hair extensions and not sure where to go to find really good quality hair extensions, I highly suggest you stop by our IMH Studio. We actually offer our hair extensions for sale, as well as providing installation. Now we're just walking through the process of us installing these tape-ins. Honestly, it'll be the last time, unfortunately, the tape-in wefts have worn out because we reinstalled them so many times. Also, too, she'd like to go with a different color next go round. But again, as you can see, Azul Hair Collection hair is absolutely amazing. This is what human hair should perform like and look like when using really high-quality products like Olaplex on them. If you're interested in having tape-in hair extensions and having us install them, hit us up at installmyhairextensions.com.